Currently printing skeletons for Easter. And this is so cool. This is a filament I haven't used, and watching it print is mesmerizing. Just thought I'd share. Oh my god. Okay, so it's done. Here we go. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. That satisfying crunch. Yeah, I know. Okay. Wow. I can't wait to get them off. Alrighty, so the skeletons are finally done. They look really, really cute. So, here we go. Boom! Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Oh my gosh, that glow is bright. He's got little ears on, and he's holding his little egg. And he can be like the dinosaur, I think. Wah, 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 wah.